Hey, good morning. Let's see what comes inside this Ayraviio 12x60 Monocular Telescope package. Right on top, we have the monocular itself, compact, durable, and powerful. Next, the upgraded tripod for steady viewing. There's a smartphone E adapter so you can capture everything you see, a protective case to keep it safe, a cleaning cloth, and two lens caps to keep guard against dust, and finally, the instruction booklet to get you started. Everything you need for clear, sharp outdoor views is right here in the box. The 12x60 Monocular Telescope is built for adventure. With 12-time magnification on a BAK4 prism, it delivers crisp, bright images whether you're hiking, camping, or bird watching. The upgraded tripod keeps your view steady, while the smartphone adapter lets you take stunning photos and videos of everything you spot. From distant landscapes to wildlife, this scope helps you to see the outdoors like never before. Lightweight, portable, and ready for every trip. Looking for the perfect gift that's unique and practical? Perfect for anyone who loves the great outdoors. With its high-powered optics, easy smartphone connections, and rugged design, it's great for hiking, travel, and hunting. Equipped with everything you need, it brings the outdoors closer than ever before.